Today, we're checking out the brand new Tortuga Pro series of backpacks. There's an updated V2 40-liter, along with a new 34-liter version. Both great options for extended one-bag travel. The bags are pretty similar, so we'll be packing up the 34-liter version in today's video. The 34-liter Tortuga Pro comes in at 20.5 by 13 by 7.5 inches and weighs 3.6 pounds. The exterior is made with EcoPack EPX 200, which is a waterproof sailcloth material, and the bag features industry-standard YKK zippers and Woojin hardware. It comes in one black colorway that you see here, and it's going to run you $300 US. However, if you use the code PRO at checkout between July 23rd and July 29th during launch week, you can get this or the 40-liter version of the bag for $50 off, so be sure to utilize that. Also, if you leave a review by August 31st, you'll be sent an additional $50 off coupon for your order during Black Friday weekend. Be sure to use my affiliate link in the description, as it does really help support this channel and allow me to make more videos like this. And if you're not looking to purchase anything today, subscribing, liking, and commenting on this video helps just as much for free. So the 34-liter version we are looking at today and the 40-liter version of the bag are pretty similar, but I do just want to point out a couple of things before we jump into the features, in case you're not sure which version to pick up. First off, the dimensions of the 40-liter are obviously going to be a little bit bigger, so be aware of that if you do have a smaller frame. It's also going to come in considerably heavier at close to a pound more. There is a height adjustable harness and an included hip belt to help offset that and make your carry more comfortable. I also just wanted to quickly note a few updates from the V1 of the 40-liter. The new V2 40-liter features more space in the main compartment, better stacked mesh pockets in the main compartment, an improved laptop sleeve, more flexible admin panel, large stretch mesh water bottle pockets, more durable handles, and longer zipper pulls. So back to the 34-liter version of the bag. Let's check out some of the features. You've got some subtle Tortuga branding in the front, a top quick access pocket with a key leash, a large front slip pocket, an admin panel that goes the entire length of the bag with one stretch mesh pocket and two zipper pockets. There's a large clamshell-style compartment with two zipper pockets for organization, two water bottle pockets and two handles, a padded false bottom laptop sleeve with a spot for a tablet, along with a zippered accessory pocket, and a back panel with load lifters, a sternum strap, and some of the best padded shoulder straps around, making this bag an extremely comfortable carry. Now, let's pack this thing up for a 2-week trip to see what we can fit inside. Remember, everybody packs differently, so be sure to envision what you would bring along as I pack this thing out. Also to note, I bring laundry strips to do sink laundry about halfway through the trip, so we'll be packing 6 days worth of clothing in addition to the clothes on my body. So that's the brand new 34-liter Pro Backpack from Tortuga. It's a simple bag, but it's very functional and one of the most comfortable to carry on the market today. If you just want something that's not flashy, but it's built to last, this will be a great option for you, especially if one-bag travel is your preferred way to travel for longer trips. But I want to know what you think of this backpack, so be sure to leave a comment below. As always, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.